Hello and welcome to my channel, Grow and Cook Your Own. Today we'll be cooking a lamb biryani straight from Persia. Heat up a cup of oil and once it's sizzling, add 5 large onions. Ghee can also be used. Cook the rice separately, add some salt and oil. Mix it well and cook. Once the onions have caramelized, we're ready to add the lamb. I'm adding 2 kilos of lamb. Give it a good stir, make sure the mixture goes into the lamb. Now it's time to put in the lamb biryani masalas. I'm going to be using turmeric, coriander, cumin, a few spoons of curry powder, a little bit of chilli, and I've also included some special garam masala and a few dried plums. Don't forget to add some salt and allow the spices to marinate the meat and cook well. The rice is looking ready. Oh yeah, beautiful. Once the spices have infused the meat, add in a cup of natural set yogurt. Now I'm going to add some fresh lemon, fresh coriander, tomatoes. By the way, the lemons are from my garden. Wow, look at that. Just bursting with flavour. Wow, that looks cooked. Just separate half of the mixture into another bowl. Now smother the curry with a layer of basmati rice. Repeat this process with as many layers as you like, the basmati rice being the final layer. That's another layer of lamb going in there. Then another layer of basmati rice. Finally, garnish it with caramelized onion and fresh coriander. Close the lid for about 10 minutes. Wow, look at that. Absolutely amazing. Delicious, mouth-watering lamb biryani. Serve it on a plate with raita and enjoy. Don't forget to watch my video on how to make raita. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh yeah, don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can be the first to receive any new videos. Enjoy.